Keith McBride, Director of Product Line Management at ARRIS. An operator would want day two services to get their network up to speed quickly. So they have a large capital investment in the product from ARRIS. They have a large network that they're running, and they want to get their return on that investment as quickly as possible. Best way to do that, and the fastest return on their investment, is to get the experts that know it. The performance improvement programs help out the operator, and an example of how they would do that is if the operator has a new CMTS network, or they're expanding their network, they're doing node splits, they're increasing capacity. Sometimes they're doing that because things aren't working efficiently. So rather than going out and spending that money, they can have these services come in, they can do an analysis, they can let them know exactly where the trouble spots are, provide that feedback to the operator, and then the operator can only concentrate on that area to improve their network. Another challenge that our operators have is their staffing levels. We have all this new product and all this new technology that's coming out all the time, but their staff may not necessarily have the time or the capability to work all these new products and all these new services. We had a customer a few years ago. They had one of their experienced operators leave the company. We were able to put someone in that place while they looked for another operator to come in, and after that operator came in, they stayed on for another 6 months to help get them up to speed, to guide them on best practices, and to help them optimize that network. Additionally, another problem customers have is they have all of this data and they have all these configurations of their network, but not necessarily a really good disaster recovery plan. So what a lot of operators do is they'll do tape backups, and even if they had a problem, bringing it back up to speed would take 8 hours to a couple of days to get everything back up and running. One of our day two services is called MABS. It's an automated backup system. It sits on a hard drive. It can store on-site or off-site, do multiple backups a day if necessary, and the restoration time is under 10 minutes. Another great thing that we have in day two services is a reporting analytics. And the reporting allows operators across our footprint to be able to get information back on their network, the number of set-tops that they have, which could help them see if anyone's stealing services, information about the things that they have online and what they don't have online, and they can bring all this information together and churn it and figure out how to run their network better. The experience level of the folks on this team are unbelievable, and they've been in the industry, they love it, they breathe it, and this is part of their core of what they do. The people of day two services are in an organization that encompasses both tech support, professional services, and engineering. These folks are going out and solving the problems that you need from an operational standpoint, and they're working through the life cycle of the product, and they're able to help out the operators achieve exactly what they need and get the return that they need on those products.